Hey everybody, today I want to talk about one of the most common and most frustrating plumbing problems around the house, which is clogged drains. So whether it's a clogged kitchen sink, or a slow draining shower, or even some weird gurgling noises coming from your pipes, it can throw off your whole day. But before you call in the pros, let's try a few home remedies first. First, we're going to try boiling water down the drain. This can help break up soap or grease. If you've got a sink plunger, you can also try that. Just make sure to block any overflow openings first. A 50-50 mix of baking soda and vinegar can help too. And if you're comfortable, you can remove the P-trap underneath the sink and try to unclog it from there. And that's where we come in. We've got the right tools and the right team to properly unclog your drains.